a young man went to the court of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and he complained about his father. To say, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my father is using my things without my permission. He's complaining in the court of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam that my father is using my things without my permission. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked for his father. He called for his father. And his father came in the court of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. As the father, is coming, is crying, because now he knows what he's been called for in the court of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam asks the father when he reaches in his court, is this what this young man is saying true? And the father, with tears in his eyes, imagine you are brought as a parent. You are brought in the court of the king of all kings, the master of all masters. And a complaint is laid against you by your own child. Just imagine. You know how painful it is for a parent to be called to a police station whereby the child is laying charges against the parent. Do you know how painful that is? Now imagine being brought in the court of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and a child is complaining that, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my father is using my things without my permission. The father, with tears in his eyes, he answers and said, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when this young man was young and weak, who was there for him? I was there for him. He used the wealth that I earned. I spent it on him. Everything I had, it was for him. I mean, did we ask? Just think of it. Did we ask our parents for whatever we wanted, or we took whatever we wanted as children? You just take.
And they did whatever they could to provide the best for us.
To provide the best for us. And after, this elderly person, gives the answer to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in the summary of this narration, look at the beautiful answer that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave. And this should be a lesson to each and every one of us. That, oh young man, you and your property belong to your father.
Wow.
Because we are where we are. We have what we have through our parents' sacrifice.